Now let us solve the last topic from 2 marks questions of differentiation, derivatives of special case. See here f of x is given, then prove that f dash of 0, 3 into f dash of minus 1. First of all, what is f dash? Differentiation. It is a function of x. F dash means with differentiation with respect to x. So let us take f dash of x is equal to what? See, 2 into x square's differentiation is 2x. So 2 into 2x, it becomes 4x, plus 3x differentiation is 3, and this becomes 0. So f dash of x is 4x plus 3. What about f dash of 0? Means in place of x you should substitute 0. 4 into 0 plus 3, that is 3. So f dash of minus 1 now, 4 into minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to minus 4 plus 3, that value is minus 1. Therefore you take f dash of 0 plus 3 into f dash of minus 1. F dash of 0 is 3 plus 3 into f dash of 1 is minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, hence proved. Next question, f of x is given. He is asking f dash of 1, right? So first of all let us find f dash of x. So this becomes 1 differentiation is 0, x differentiation is 1, x square differentiation is 2x. The next term will be x cube, right? So x cube means 3x square plus and so on. Here you will have 100 into x to the power of 99. These terms you are getting. Now you want f dash of 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1 square anyways 3, plus and so on. 100 into 1 to the power of 99, that is again 100 only. So now what you got? Sum of terms from 1 to 100. These are all natural numbers. So sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Sum of n numbers, sum of n natural numbers is what? Summation n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2, right? This is the formula we use to find the sum of any number of natural numbers. Here we have 100 natural numbers from 1 to 100. So n is equal to 100 here. 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. 2 times 50. So 50 into 101, this will be 50, 50. This is our answer. See the next question, x cube plus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 0. Then he is asking to find dy by dx, dy by dx. Here y is a function of x. Here y is a function of x. Dy by dx he is asking means y is a function of x. Whatever the given function, x cube plus y cube minus 3xy is equal to 0. On taking differentiation with respect to x, what you will get? Minus 3xy is equal to 0. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Okay. Then what about differentiation of y cube? Here y is a function of x. So first we have to take 3y square into, again we have to take the differentiation of y, that is dy by dx, minus here 3 into d by dx of xy. Two functions we have here. So this is 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx. Here you have to apply u into v method. X into dy by dx plus y into dy by dx of x is 1. So this is 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx minus 3 into x into dy by dx plus y into this value becomes 1. So this is y only is equal to 0. So hence our answer is what? So 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx minus 3x dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 0. From each and every term you can take 3 outside, 3 common you can take, and dy by dx also we can take common. If I take y square minus x into dy by dx is equal to y minus x square. That implies dy by dx is equal to y minus x square by y square minus x. This is dy by dx value. Let's do similar problem. Here y is a function of x. Find the derivative of this function with respect to x. That is nothing but dy by dx he is asking here. So what is the given thing here? X to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus a square xy is equal to 0. And differentiating with respect to x, what do you get? 4x cube. This will become 4y cube into dy by dx. Here y means y of x, y means y of x here, minus a square into d by dx of xy means x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x becomes 1 is equal to 0. So 4x cube plus 4y cube dy by dx minus a square x dy by dx minus a square y is equal to 0. We want dy by dx value. So that implies I am taking dy by dx common here. You will have 4y cube minus a square x dy by dx is one term, and plus 4x cube minus a square y is another term is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to, I am sending this term RHS side, a square y minus 4x cube. I am sending this to the denominator, 4y cube minus a square x. This is also a special case problem. X is given in terms of t, y is also given in terms of t. He is asking dy by dx. So dy by dx can be taken as dy by dt by dx by dt. That is, dy we can take the differentiation with respect to t because it is a function in t. X also in function in t, so it is possible to take dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to d by dt of log t plus sin t, that is nothing but 1 by t. Sin t differentiation is cos t. Okay, and now dy by dt is equal to e to the power of d by dt of e to the power of t plus cos t. E to the power of t differentiation is e to the power of t, cos t differentiation is minus sin t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dt by dx by dt, right? So what do you get? E to the power of t minus sin t by, so can I write this as 1 plus t cos t by t? Yes. So 1 plus t cos t by t, that is t into e to the power of t minus sin t by 1 plus t cos t. In the similar way you have to do this question also. And let's take the next question. X is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos square t. Again he is also asking dy by dx, nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt. So let us find dx by dt first, is equal to differentiation with respect to t, that is 3 into cos t differentiation is minus sin t, so minus sin t, minus 2 into cos cube t differentiation is 3 into cos square t into again cos t function differentiation is minus sin t. So here this is x cube, we have to consider 3x square, just like that 3 into cos square t, cos t is again a function, so minus sin t. This becomes minus 3 sin t plus 6 cos square t sin t. Dy by dt, let us find dy by dt is equal to 3 into cos sin t differentiation is cos t, sin cube differentiation is 3 sin square t into again sin t differentiation is cos t. So this is equal to 3 cos t minus 6 sin square t cos t. Here if I take, we can take 3 sin t common, right? 3 sin t if I take common here, what you will get here? 2 cos square t minus 1 you have here. Here you can take 3 cos t common. If I take 3 cos t common here, 1 minus 2 sin square t. Once you observe, these are formula of cos 2t, right? This is also the one of the formula of cos 2t. So what do you get here? 3 sin t cos 2t. Here 3 cos t cos 2t. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, which is equal to 3 cos t into cos 2t by 3 sin t into cos 2t. Cos 2t, cos 2t, 3 gets cancelled. Cos t by sin t will be cot t. See the next question. F of x is given e to the power of x, and he is asking find the differentiation with respect to g of x. G of x function is root x. That means what is he asking? df by dg asking. Differentiation of f with respect to g means what? df by dg. df by dg can be taken as f is a function of x, g is a function of x. So df by dx by dg by dx we can consider. So here we will find df by dx first. df by dx is nothing but differentiation of d by dx of e to the power of x, that is e to the power of x, and dg by dx is equal to d by dx of root x. Root x differentiation is nothing but 2 root x. Therefore df by dg is equal to e to the power of x by 1 by 2 root x. This is nothing but 2 root x into e to the power of x, hence the answer.